Hello. This tutorial is to provide an overview as to how to get started in your organization's virtual environment using vCloud Director 5.5 by Envision's inFlight Cloud. I will go over the following topics: logging into your environment, adding users, creating a catalog, installing the VMware Client Integration plugin, uploading an ISO to a catalog, creating a vApp, creating a virtual machine, and showing resource statistics. Begin by opening a web browser. For the purpose of this demonstration, I am using Google Chrome. Internet Explorer and Mozilla Firefox are acceptable as well. Navigate to the URL provided to you. It should follow the convention of what you see here at the top of the screen, followed by your organization's name. I will be using our own organization, so Envision is at the end of the URL. Log in with credentials provided to you. Here you'll see your Home tab that gives you an overview of your vApps. We'll start by setting up new users. Click on the Administration tab at the top. Next, click on Users in the left sidebar. Click the green plus sign to add a new user. Fill in the credentials you'd like them to have, along with any quotas you'd like to establish for them. Be sure to give them the correct role for the privilege level you'd like them to have. Next, we'll set up a catalog. A catalog is a set of content that can contain vApp templates or media and other data. Click the Catalogs tab. Click on the green plus sign to add a new catalog. Name the catalog and click Next. You'll be asked to specify the storage type for this catalog. Make your selection here based on your organization's needs. For this, we'll use any available storage. Next, we'll share the catalog with members of the organization. We'll add everyone for this, since we're only putting ISOs in it. Press Next and finish. The next step would be to add ISOs to the catalog. To do this, we must first install the VMware Client Integration plugin. Click on the catalog you just made. Next, click Media and Other. Then press the Upload button. Since the plugin isn't installed, this dialog box comes up prompting you to install it. You can click here to download it. I've already pre-downloaded it. The file's about 47 megabytes or so. And double-click to install. It'll tell you to close your web browser first to continue the installation. There are no installation options for this outside of the end-user license agreement in the installation directory. Reopen your web browser and log back in. Return to your catalog and go to the Media and Other tab. You can click the Upload button again. This dialog box comes up asking to make sure that you want to use the plugin to allow it to do things. And press Allow. From here, you can either use a URL or browse to a local file to pick the file you want to upload. So I'll click Local File and click Browse. And from here, we'll go to my ISO file. And here, you're allowed to rename it. This takes quite a bit of time to upload, so from this point on, we'll use some ISOs that are already uploaded into our own catalog. But now that we have ISOs to load an operating system from, we can start building virtual machines. To begin this process, we must first create a vApp. Click the My Cloud tab to begin the process of building a vApp. And right here is the button for building a new vApp. In the first tab, you name your vApp and the data center that it'll be stored in. Here you also predetermine how long the vApp is allowed to remain before it is automatically removed in order to prevent accumulation of stale virtual machines. In the Add Virtual Machines area, you can either add them from a catalog or create a new one. So we can pick a virtual machine and name it like we normally would using vCenter. Select the hardware version, pick the operating system you're going to use, etc. And just like typical other vCenter operations, you can configure each part of your virtual machine. Along with that, you'll be able to click your ISO file that you'd like to put into the drive to begin installing the operating system. And under my organization's catalogs, you can see here that we have ISOs for various versions of Windows and Ubuntu. The last thing that I wanted to show you is that under the Administration tab, you can click Monitor in the middle and then begin drilling down into various parts of your organization to check out the resource usage on your virtual machines and your vApps. And it can give you a wide array of information as to what's going on with them. But this covers all the basics that you need for getting your virtual environment up and running. Thank you for watching.